Just my love of cars overall. Like I said, watching my dad and my brother grow up, building cars, stuff like that. It's always had something to do with cars, always working on cars, and yeah, wanted to try it out on my own.
So a day later, I came by and seen Derek, and we talked at the same time. 3 years in October.
Picked auto body because I thought it was going to be easier than mechanic, and then that was my first mistake. That's when I first learned that you can be wrong in life.
The car accident didn't work for about 5 years, and then got an opportunity to come here, and been here for a little over 2 years.
Got the shop, liked what I saw, and I wanted a little bit of a change. I was doing a lot of collision stuff, but I wanted to focus mostly on higher end hot rods. Took the chance, and it's been great ever since.
We didn't ask for permission, so it's better to ask for forgiveness after.
My name is Alex Mazzoni, and I am the shop apprentice in the mechanic shop for Legacy Speed and Bike.
Matthew Permuzak, and I'm an auto body apprentice.
Just got married into this life.